Okay, Nick, I've got a question. So we're 10 days away from closing. You're getting really excited about your new house, right? The clients are, and they really need this new sectional couch. Is it a good idea to run out and throw that on the credit card?
It's not. I know it's really tempting, and you definitely have to furnish your new house.
Mhm.
And it's you just spent a lot of money on a down payment, closing costs, so your funds are tied up. Wait until after closing to do that.
Okay.
After closing, you can do whatever you want. But prior to closing, I mean, another thing I see is for some reason a lot of people, they've lined up a new house.
Mhm.
They need a brand new car to go in that driveway, which totally makes sense. It's like a thing. It's like wired in our brains. Don't do that.
Okay.
So yeah, wait until after closing. After you get the keys to the home, perfect. You can go for it. Do I advise that? No, but do that instead of prior to closing, because that could really throw a wrench in your plans.
Okay, cool. And along those same lines, job stability. I know that's very important, and that's definitely something going into the pre-approval process that is looked at your employment. But what if you have employment changes, expected or not, during the time you're under contract on something?
That's a really good question. So yeah, this happens sometimes. So the biggest thing, communicate with your loan officer.
Mhm.
So if there's any anticipated changes in employment, we need to know that ahead of time. Absolutely. It may not be a problem, but we have to make sure our underwriting team is on board. They're the decision makers. So if there's any gaps of employment, that could also throw a wrench in our plans. So again, I'm going to go back to communication. We can make things work. Usually we'll need 30 days of pay stubs if you're at a new job.
Mhm.
So if you're 10 days away from closing and you start a new job,
Mhm.
that may delay closing because we need 30 days of pay stubs. So something to keep in mind.
Okay, excellent.